ABCs with animal friends. Learning letters never ends.
A is for alligator, chomping with a grin. B is for bear doing a spin. C is for cat, so cuddly and sweet. D is for dog with dancing feet. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox with a clever plan. G is for goose, waddling near the pond with feathers so white. H is for hippo who loves to fly. I is for iguana, sunning on a stone. J is for jellyfish, dancing all alone. K is for kangaroo, hopping away. L is for lion, who loves to play. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nightingale, singing so sweet.
O is for owl, who hoots at night.
P is for penguin. Oh, what a sight! Q is for quail with a funny sound. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sheep, so fluffy and white. Baba it sings from morning to night. T is for turkey with feathers in a row. U is for unicorn, magical and free. V is for vulture in a tree. W is for whale with a watery spout. X is for X-ray fish swimming about. Y is for yak with fluffy hair.
Z is for zebra with stripes to wear.
Laugh and learn, sing along, every letter in this song. Jump and sing, come along, let's learn more with this song. Thanks for watching! Subscribe for more fun songs!